Work in healthcare, but I wanted to let you guys know I decided to do something different because I do not want to spend the rest of my life working for someone else or working at a job that stresses me out and I feel really burnt out. I've been in healthcare for the last 22 years and I was like, enough is enough. I got to find something to do and it's got to be different and I have to be able to work from wherever I want. I started out by taking an affiliate marketing course that is going to teach me the skill that I need to know of how to build a business online as an affiliate marketer. Now, you don't have to promote that course, but I chose to because I was like, why not? Everything's done for me already. So your job as an affiliate marketer is you are marketing a product for that company. And then depending on what product you're marketing, some products close the sale for you. Some products you got to close the sale yourself. I chose a product where they close the sale for me. So my job is to create these TikTok videos. I do 3 to 5 a day and I push them out. And that is a non-negotiable for me. And it should be for you. So if you are ready to learn how you can make money online and ditch your 9 to 5, or maybe you are a struggling affiliate marketer and you're wanting to learn the right way to do this, I'm going to be teaching you everything I know, all the mistakes I made, how to get through those, what you need to do every day to start earning money online. So if you are interested in earning, maybe starting out $500, turning that into $1,000, then $5,000 a month, you can do this through affiliate marketing. But I want to let you know, it does take work. It takes the willingness to learn. You do have to have the drive. And guys, you have to start. You have to take action. You can't just flounder around here watching me for 6 months before you start. You got to take action. So the first action you need to take is follow me and save this video. And if you are ready to get started, I have an amazing course in my bio that's going to teach you everything you need to know, the basic skills of what you need to know on how to start your journey. And as I go through these videos, I'm going to show you that course. So stay tuned.